when I'm running behind my child, वो होता था, right? Oh my God, right? कि नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप. Socrates at one point in time had said, the great philosopher, right? He had said at that point in time, the biggest mistake of doctors is they think the mind is not a part of the body. Therapy should be done a bottom-up approach. From our brain stem, from our limbic system. Therapy is the bridge between your heart, your calmness, your peace that you started in the beginning of the conversation, and your intellect, right? How we look at mental health, how we look at the society. There's so much of emphasis on intellect. Intellect is one quadrant. The other quadrants are mental, emotional, physical. Intellect को हमने भगवान बना दिया है. But mental is more important than intellect. If the child is talking about mental health, it's because the teacher or someone in school has told them about it.
Yes.
But definitely if they're showing symptoms of it, it's an environment issue.
Hello and welcome to the third episode of my podcast Rise and Shine with Dr. Meenal. आज का एपिसोड इज़ नॉट अबाउट राइज एंड शाइन, रादर इट्स ऑल अबाउट पीस. इस भागती हुई दुनिया में और जहाँ पे हम सब ये सोचते हैं कि दुनिया क्या कहेगी, उसमें एक चीज़ मिसिंग है एंड दैट इज़ पीस. बट टू गेट दैट पीस बैक, टुडे विथ मी इज़ जॉइनिंग अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट, एन ऑथर एंड अबव ऑल एन ह्यूमैनिटेरियन, जो कि यूएस से इंडिया मूव करके सर्विंग द पब्लिक. शी इज़ अ साइकोथेरेपिस्ट, हरलीन बग्गा. सो लेट अस वेलकम हरलीन एंड विल टॉक अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ. वो एक ऐसी चीज़ जिसके बारे में आजकल हम बातें तो कर रहे हैं, बट स्टिल अ लॉट हैज़ टू बी टॉक्ड अबाउट इट. तो हरलीन बग्गा जी, वेलकम टू माई शो. एंड दिस इज़ अ वुमेन ओरिएंटेड शो. एंड वुमेन में एक ऐसी चीज़ है जो हम सब डरते हैं बात करने के लिए. मे बी हम अपने बारे में, अपने माइंड में इस बारे में सोचते हैं, बट वी ऑल डू नॉट डेयर आउट टू टॉक अबाउट इट. And you see it every day, and you have been doing it since long, talking about mental health and taking care of mental health of people around you, of your clients who come to you. So tell me about your journey. Tell me about your soul therapy, the one that you founded and which is helping a lot of clients around you in Hyderabad.
Well, pehle to thank you so much, Meenal, for having me here. I think it's always wonderful to come on a platform where we're able to advocate mental health and emotional well-being, because eventually the world is about reaching our full potential, right? Life is about reaching our full potential. Life is about figuring out who we are, finding, like you said, peace, happiness, right? And that peace and happiness needs to come from within.
Yes.
So I'm glad that you and me are actually sitting here together and talking about it. Coming back to me, I was originally not a psychotherapist.
Okay.
Right. I started my journey as a software engineer. I actually worked for Philips Semiconductors in India, and then I got married and I moved to Microsoft in Redmond, Washington. And there I worked for almost a decade. And then life showed me its true colors in the sense that I got unwell, and I was very, very unwell. I had no option but to move to India. So I actually moved to India on a wheelchair.
Oh.
Yeah, so my fingers and my toes had turned purple, and the doctors in US were like, we don't know what to do. So, I think you need to go home, because they actually suggested amputating it.
Oh.
Yeah, so see, they couldn't figure out. So I have an autoimmune condition, at that lupus. See, today it's very prevalent, but maybe when I was diagnosed very early. I had my children very early, got married very early. सब कुछ जल्दी हो गया मेरी जिंदगी में, right? पर तो autoimmune भी बहुत जल्दी आ गया.
Okay.
Right, so it started very early. So I feel मेरी हंसती खेलने की उम्र में I got the freedom got taken away from me. And so it hit me hard, and I think I came to India, and India did me well because I reset my mind. So I think the journey of, moving from a high-paying, well-paying, lucrative job, working for Microsoft, like I had an offer here also at a very senior role. I interviewed, but I did not decide to go there because मुझे लगा if I can if I can share my journey, what I have figured out about myself. Yeah, from a wheelchair now I am dancing, I am
Yeah.
khelofying, I'm khudofying, I'm doing everything zindagi mein, and I'm looking the way I look right now. तो कुछ तो किया होगा ना सही ज़िंदगी में, कुछ तो किया है मैंने सही. तो अगर कुछ किया है सही तो फिर उसको पढ़ो, सीखो, एंड उसको बांटो, शेयर करो. Right, and I think for me that's why every person who comes into the door into my clinic, मुझे लगता है कि ये रब की मेहर है, ये भगवान ने भेजा है. So I am very spiritual. I think my journey has made me very very God fearing and spiritual. तो anyone who comes into my clinic, मुझे लगता है चल इसका टाइम आ गया, इसने तो ठीक होना ही है. लाइक भगवान ने मुझे मेरे पास भेजा, मेरे सामने भेजा.
राइट डोर.
या एंड आई वर्क लाइक दैट. मैं जान लगा देती हूँ यार हर एक पेशेंट पे, एंड दे बिकम ऑल राइट.
So let me just dive a little more into it. At what age you were diagnosed with autoimmune condition? And like you said, you were married and you were with kids.
हाँ जी.
तो उसके बाद आपको जब diagnose हुआ, because anyways as a mother it is like, we give the entire attention and we only worry about our kids उस वक्त.
बिल्कुल.
So how did you overcome that phase? Because, me being a mother, मुझे ना हमेशा इस बात का डर लगता है कि मेरे बाद, what's going to happen to my daughter? Because चाहे जो भी हो, the kid always need a mother, and ये डर रहता है हमको हमेशा. How did you overcome that? Because like now the way you just told was like so brave, but it is giving me goosebumps because the moment I think, I relate कि अरे if I was in that position, what will happen to my daughter? So how did you overcome that?
The answer is in the question that you asked, right? The motivation is my kids. So every time I would go for a blood test, and there was a moment where things were very haphazard. Think about it, right? I was seeing 6-7 doctors because I had SLE, and at that point SLE had hit all my different different systems, right? So I was seeing different doctors for different things, and it became very frustrating because nobody was giving me an answer, yeah, right? मतलब आप lung के पास जाओ, they said, oh, you have ILD, 70% lung damage हो चुका है, and I'm like, अच्छा lung तो अब क्या? And I'm only 30, right? I had like both my kids done. I'm young and like मुझे जिंदगी जीनी है,
yeah,
right? 30 क्या है आजकल तो लोग में 30 शादी भी नहीं करते. मेरे तो 2 बच्चे हो चुके थे, right? And मुझे जिंदगी जीनी थी, and कोई मुझे जवाब नहीं दे रहा था एक्चुअली, राइट? सो तो लंग होता है, पता लंग डैमेज हो चुका है तो आप कर नहीं सकते. एंड आई कुड सी इट जब व्हेन आई एम रनिंग बिहाइंड माय चाइल्ड, वो होता था, राइट? ओ माय गॉड, राइट, कि नहीं कर पा रहे हो आप. And everything, whether it is skin issues, dermal issues, gynec issues, or rheumatoid issues, skin issues, vascular, मतलब आप एक पार्टी चल रही है यार अंदर शरीर के अंदर, तो एकदम पार्टी चल रही है, एंड पार्टी ऐसे चल रही है कि सारे इनवाइटेड है, पर हमें पता नहीं कि इनविटेशन किसने भेजा है, पर इनवाइटेड सारे जन हैं,
and they're enjoying.
Yes, it is a party, but coming back, what my children, I fought for my kids because every time I was in pain, and every time I get a blood test done, even up till now, I just close my eyes and they prick. For me, I think of my kids. Yeah. Right? I have for them, I fought for them. There's no doubt about it. Like if they were not there in my life, maybe I would not have been that strong. I want to be very honest about it. I fought for them. And today, why today? For a very long time, I have been active with them. I am jumping around. I love to dance. So I dance a lot. I have a lot of stamina. So I'm doing all of that right now. So I have understood the mechanism of stress, the connection between stress, the connection between healthy living, the connection between healthy eating. I think, I don't want to say nailed it, but for me, I have figured out my pyramid. And that triangle works beautifully for me right now. So I know what my triggers are. And I think, and because I'm a spiritual person, in fact, I read my Guru Granth Sahib Ji a lot, right? And in psychology anyway, you're taught about the Bhagavad Gita also, the Vedas and Upanishads are anyway a part of that. So the lot of the psychology, whether you believe it or not, is what is written in our scriptures. Okay. It is so well connected. It is fantastic. So for me, life is very, very interconnected right now. Like whatever I am doing, there is a sense of purpose. Like I feel I'm resonating at a higher frequency right now, right? Because everything around my life is making sense. Whether I read, whether I, and the beauty is when I'm talking to my clients, I'm talking using everything. I talk science, I talk spirituality, I talk numbers, I talk whatever they want to talk.
Yeah.
Right. So
basically, it's a multidisciplinary approach that you give to your clients.
absolutely, absolutely. Keeping in mind that what they have come for me for. So basically, I unblock them. Let's put it very clearly, right? What am I unblocking? I'm unblocking their trauma. What am I unblocking? I'm unblocking their stress. स्ट्रेस कि आपको खुद को एहसास नहीं हो रहा कि यार मैं स्ट्रेस हूँ क्या. आप सड़क पे जाओ, पूछो यार तुझे स्ट्रेस है, स्पेशली द आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट द एजुकेटेड क्राउड, द रिच क्राउड, व्हाटएवर. वो करेंगे क्या स्ट्रेस मुझे, आहा, राइट. दैट अहंकार इज देयर कि हमें स्ट्रेस नहीं होता, राइट. एंड आई विल गिव यू सिंपल एग्जांपल्स. जॉब चली गई है, राइट, पर क्योंकि हम एजुकेटेड हैं, हमें पता है कि सिचुएशन बुरी है, जॉब सबकी जा रही है, लोग आके बोलेंगे हाँ जॉब चलेगी है पर क्या कर सकते हैं, मतलब स्ट्रेस नहीं है, बट एक्सेप्टेंस है किस्म का. आप अपने आप से झूठ बोल रहे हो. आप कह रहे हो कि स्ट्रेस नहीं है, बट व्हाट योर बिहेवियर इज, यू आर बिंज ईटिंग. आप एग्रेसिव हो रहे हो, आप अपने पत्नी को डांट रहे हो, आप अपने बच्चों से चिढ़ रहे हो, कह रहे हो कि स्ट्रेस नहीं है, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ, मतलब ना मैं संत महात्मा बन गया हूँ, राइट. पर आई एम फेसिंग कॉग्निटिव डिसोनेंस इन माई बॉडी, right? I am pretending and projecting I am free, but it's a wound. I'm carrying that trauma with me, right?
Yeah.
And unblocking that, right? Making the journey of making someone figure out, accept, recognize कि you have a bottleneck, and that bottleneck is there because you can't reach your true potential, right? If today you know you can be better, Meenal, and you are not being that person, that is a definition of stress.
Yeah. You remember last time when we met, I was asking you ki, does emotionally disconnect hona is a sign of mental crisis? And you told me ki yes, it is, and we need to talk about it.
Yeah.
तो in my personal thing, जब आप I was doing very well in my career, and what I wanted to do I'm doing and all those things, but I realized over a period of time that मैं emotionally disconnect हो गई हूँ. मतलब उसका पेन मुझे फील नहीं होता. आई फील या मेरे पास भी तो ऐसा ही है ना, माई लाइफ इज ऑल्सो लाइक दिस. और इफ किसी ने मुझे बर्थडे विश नहीं किया, बट 2 साल पहले उसका बर्थडे विश करना बुरा लगता था, बट आज बुरा नहीं लगता है. सो इज दिस अ साइन, लाइक द इमोशनल डिस्कनेक्ट? Is it, that we need to talk about?
Oh, absolutely. Emotional disconnect is what? You numbing yourself out, right?
Yes.
So basically that entire part of your brain which is talking to you, which is mapping your emotions to your behaviors, आप brain के उस part को, which is the amygdala को, आप बोल रहे हो बेटा सो जा. किसी भी चीज को आप सुलाओगे, it has a problem.
It has a problem.
Right?
It's not
हमारे
normal.
शरीर में everything that is there is, and as a doctor we understand
Yes,
that,
yes.
right? Every part of a human body is there for a reason.
Yeah.
Right? So absolutely. So the short answer to your question is you definitely need to talk about it. Yeah.
तो how can a normal person understand कि ठीक है यहाँ तक ठीक था, आई वॉज टॉलरेटिंग, यहाँ तक आई कैन एक्सेप्ट इट, बट नाउ इट्स द टाइम दैट आई शुड गो एंड सी एंड टॉक टू अ थेरेपिस्ट. लाइक इज देयर अ क्लियर कट डिमार्केशन जहाँ पे आप बोलो कि अब ये नहीं है तो यू हैव टू सी अ थेरेपिस्ट? बिकॉज इन जनरल पब्लिक विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. देखो फॉर मी ऑल्सो इट वॉज देयर इन मी, बट टिल द टाइम आई मेट यू आई नेवर रियलाइज्ड, एंड व्हेन आई मेट यू आई थॉट आई शुड आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन. एंड बट वैसे तो बहुत सारे लोग हैं, तो हाउ विल दे नो कि व्हेन शुड आई गो टू अ थेरेपिस्ट?
So before when should I go to therapist? Let's understand कि मेरे शरीर में what are my psychological behavior that my body is doing, correct? So first of all, let's understand what is stress. Stress is a response to something that I think is challenging, something that I feel threatened by, right? It is just a response that my body is doing. You are right, all stresses are not negative. बिल्कुल सही, राइट. इनफैक्ट हम एग्ज़ाम के लिए जा रहे हैं, हम वो स्ट्रेस होता है, दैट इज़ यू स्ट्रेस, दैट इज़ हेल्दी स्ट्रेस. सो यू नो माई बॉडी इज़ एंक्शियस, नर्वस, वो जिटर जिटर वाली फीलिंग आती है, ये तो हल्की, इट्स अ हैप्पी फीलिंग, इट्स अ गुड फीलिंग. करेक्ट. स्ट्रेस को लेट्स ब्रेक दिस एंड देन एक दूसरा तरीके का स्ट्रेस होता है विच इज़ larger stresses which is extrinsic in nature. Catastrophic event हो गया, major life changing event हो गया, and also the daily hassles of life which is annoyances. You know, driving is stressful because आगे का बंदा नहीं जा रहा, right? मैं drive कर रही हूँ and आगे से किसी ने कट मार लिया, छोटी छोटी चीज़ें, right? आज मेड नहीं आई, आज एक पेशेंट आया पर वो पेमेंट किए बिना चले गया, right? So the point is, ये होते छोटे छोटे stresses. That is one type, right? All right. So your question, Meenal, was what is the barrier to understand when one should get therapy?
Yeah.
Right? So let me give you the short answer first and then let's elaborate it. The short answer is that when you have an emotion or a behavior or a state that is nagging you and sticking at you for a long time, then you know it is abnormal. Right? When I have a behavior that I am doing that I know is not helping me, but I'm not able to not do it, be it wasting time, be it zoning out, be it feeling sad, be it crying, being even silly and stupid and happy without a reason. It doesn't necessarily have to be on the negative side of the spectrum, right? I can also be extra happy, extra silly, and extra, kuch bhi, right? Naughty. But the point is, when I'm doing things that is not normal for me, right? When there is a shift from my baseline, whatever my baseline is, and that shift is sticking, then that is an alarm bell that tells you that yo girl, yo boy, go get it looked at. And if you don't have the awareness in your own body to realize that, hopefully the people who are seeing this podcast take this as a flag that they need to watch out for. If your friend, family member, anybody is showing signs that are abnormal to them, right? Whatever that is, do not ignore. It's as simple as that. Without reason, we don't change behavior. Without a reason, we don't change behavior. It's as simple as that. So that answers your question, right? But behind the question is, let's deconstruct stress. Let's understand what is trauma, right? And why do we really need therapy, right? One is that, see, somebody can also push back, right, Meenal, and say that, यार मैं तो self help की books पढ़ लेता हूँ, मुझे पता है मुझे क्या करना है, राइट? एंड मुझे पता है कि मुझे टाइम वेस्ट नहीं करना चाहिए, मुझे पता है कि मैं शराबी हूँ, मुझे शराब की बोतल से दूर रहनी चाहिए, मुझे पता है कि मैं ज़्यादा स्मोक करता हूँ, मुझे सिगरेट के पैकेट से दूर रहना चाहिए, पर मैं रह नहीं पा रहा यार. मुझे पता सब कुछ है, मुझे पता है मैंने मेडिटेट करना है, मुझे पता है मैंने बातें करनी है, मुझे पता है कि मैंने योगा करना है, पता सब कुछ है, राइट? यू आस्क मी नॉलेज, मैं पूरा एग्जामिनेशन पेपर लिख लूँगी कि मुझे क्या क्या करना है, बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू इम्प्लीमेंटिंग, मैं कर नहीं पा रही या मैं कर नहीं पा रहा. दिस इज़ अ डिस्कनेक्ट between the mind and the heart. So Socrates, right? We're talking about 2,500 years ago or 3,000 years ago, right? Socrates at one point in time had said, the great philosopher, right? He had said at that point in time, the biggest mistake of doctors is they think the mind is not a part of the body. Correct? And right now what is happening, even the field of medicine today, and as a doctor I'm sure you will concur, that we also continue to treat the human body in parts.
Yes.
Right? And even when we're talking about the mind, even therapy, even therapists, I'm talking about my own profession, a lot of counselors and therapists also just treat the mind for the mind. That cannot work because like I told you, right, मैंने आपको समझा दिया, ये भाई आपकी बॉटल नेक है, ये आपकी सोच में दिक्कत है, आप ये सोच को ठीक कर लो. आप ठीक कर लोगे?
नहीं कर सकते.
नहीं यार, हो ही नहीं सकता, हो ही नहीं सकते, राइट? What is the solution? Solution is therapy should be done a bottom up approach from our brain stem, from our limbic system, because मुझे पता है कि शिट यार, अलार्म बज गया, राइट? मे बी देयर इज अ फायर अलार्म, मैंने घर से बाहर जाना है, राइट? मुझे पता है सेंसिबली कि जो मेरे इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स है निकालो, राइट? भागो. मेंटली इफ आई एम एन इंटेलिजेंट पर्सन, आई नो आई विल हैव 2 to 3 minutes, 4 minutes ड्रिल हम कर चुके हैं, इतने समय में मैंने बाहर निकलना है. अगर मैं होगी पैनिक, मैं कुछ कर पाऊंगी? नहीं, राइट? सो therapy done right is a bottom up approach where you teach the human body, the nervous system, to first calm down. Very important. जब तक nervous system calm नहीं है, हम वो intelligence तक पहुंच ही नहीं सकते. And that is what therapy is. Therapy is the bridge between your heart, your calmness, your peace that you started in the beginning of the conversation, and your intellect, right? And that means that every time, even at work, you are not able to, I have to do something. Yeah, I need to work hard to get that promotion. I need to hit the gym to lose weight. You have a goal, पर आप वो गोल तक पहुंच ही नहीं पा रहे क्योंकि आप मेहनत ही नहीं कर रहे. That is another sign, right? That is not necessarily a deviance, because लोग बोल सकते हैं हाँ तू तो हमेशा लेजी था, अरे you were always a procrastinator. No, but अब मुझे पता है सब कुछ है and I'm still not able to bridge that gap. That also is a sign that you need help. Why? Because you're not reaching your full potential. Why? Because ज़िंदगी ने, मतलब भगवान ने, यूनिवर्स ने, जो ज़िंदगी दी है आपको,
उसको फुल पोटेंशियल से
करना है यार, फुलफिल तो करना है, ऐसे वेस्ट तो नहीं कर सकते हम. एंड वॉट एवर दैट पोटेंशियल इज, आपकी पोटेंशियल अलग है, मेरी अलग है, सबकी अलग है, राइट? पर कोशिश तो करनी है, कोशिश तो करें, और आगे रब की मर्जी, राइट? हमें नहीं पता क्या हो सकता है, पर कोशिश तो करो.
So Abhi, we have been talking about so much and you have given your insight on this. Pehle jab talking about mental crisis was a taboo, but now people are coming out and talking about it. So what's your, from a psychological lens से आप इसको कैसे देखते हैं? Has things changed in a good way that people are talking about it and people come up and say कि नहीं मुझे ये crisis है, right now I'm not feeling good and I need help, and there are people to help also. But on the other hand, do you also think कि ये misuse भी हो रहा है? Because for every small thing now people is telling कि नहीं मेरा mental health खराब हो रहा है, and मेरे लिए तो बहुत worrisome is one point that schools में छोटे छोटे बच्चों को grade 3 में, grade 4 में बता रहे कि this is your mental health, and grade 3 grade 4 का बच्चा is talking about mental health. Now you being into this and you, with your huge experience, what do you think, how things are changing? Is it changing for good? Is it being misused? And where should we stop? And how do you take it?
First of all, I think that's a fantastic question. Thank you for asking it, right? And I think it's bang on, right? Again, I'll give you a one-line answer and then I'll elaborate, right? The one-line answer, I think, is our society loves to glamorize and sensationalize intellect. Okay? We give too much of emphasis and importance to intellect, which means that with intellect, when we label people, Arey, you have this disorder. Arey, you are a narcissistic. Arey, you have this syndrome. Oh my God, you have this. You have anxiety disorder. You're having panic attacks. When we begin this journey of labeling people, Minal, we are putting them in glass boxes. We are trapping them. So this question that you're asking, right? This part that the part that you spoke about, the children in schools. The saddest part is, why are children in school talking about mental health? Because वहाँ के जो teachers हैं, वहाँ के जो school की psychologist हैं, right? See, they have come out of college. they have done MA in psychology. MA in psychology में इतना आपने रट्टा मारा है, इतना मारा है, आपको सिर्फ वही तो पता है ना, एकेडमिक नॉलेज. एंड क्या सिखाया जाता है, अच्छा आपका ये सिम्टम है, यू हैव एन एंग्जाइटी प्रॉब्लम, अच्छा यू हैव दिस, यू आर अ नार्सिसिस्ट. मुझे एक बात बोलो, ऑन अ डिफरेंट नोट, डू यू नॉट हैव सेल्फ इंटरेस्ट? ऑफ कोर्स, it is a good thing. If you don't, it's a problem.
Yeah.
Right? So doesn't every human being on this earth not have narcissistic tendencies?
कभी ना कभी तो होता है at some situation.
Yes, right. And it could be for the purpose of your family.
Yeah.
Right? Maybe it's not to your self-interest, but if it comes to, for my family, क्या मैं कर सकती हूँ, अपने बच्चों के लिए क्या मैं कुछ कर सकती हूँ, शायद the answer will be yes. The point that I'm trying to get at is, we all have everything of everything.
Yeah.
Or we all have something of everything. Let's stop labeling. The biggest mistake is ये जो इंटेलेक्ट का भूत सवार हमारे सर पे पड़ा है ना, हमें लगता है हर चीज़ को आप ज्ञान बांटो, लेबल करो, अरे इसको तो ये है, इसको तो वो है. क्यों लेबल करो यार? राइट? इफ समवन इज हेल्दियर, उसकी मर्जी है, आप क्यों लेबल कर रहे हो? राइट? इफ समवन इज थिन एंड बोन्स, उसको भी लेबल कर रहे हो एनोरेक्सिक. क्यों? You don't know. See, if they have a real biological condition of bulimia, anorexic or something like that, a clinical condition, that is different. That the doctors will handle. As a society, why are you talking about it? That is my only question. Right? If there is a clinical issue, it's a discussion between the patient and the doctor.
Yeah.
Full stop. किसी और को बात करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Right? Now moving on to the question that you asked. So I think the problem is happening because we want to show that the teachers want to show that they are well read.
Yeah.
हम तो साइकोलॉजी के बारे में पढ़ रहे हैं, तो फिर जब कुछ हो जाता है हम उनको लेबल कर देते हैं. अरे this child is bullying, this child has narcissistic tendencies.
Yes.
What? It's so normal to bully.
Yes.
Right? Or this child is becoming bullied. This child is very insecure. What?
Yeah.
कौन बोल रहा है? आप इनसिक्योर नहीं हो, मैं इनसिक्योर नहीं हूँ. इस दुनिया में हर एक बंदा इनसिक्योर है. इनसिक्योरिटी के बिना हम जी नहीं सकते. We don't exist without insecurity.
These are just a part of emotions, right?
जी,
और ये होना है ना?
Yes. हम उसके बिना हम जी ही नहीं सकते, हम एग्जिस्ट ही नहीं कर सकते उसके बिना. So, but you understand the picture that I'm trying to paint, right? Because everyone wants to prove कि मैं तो स्मार्ट हूँ, मैं तो समझदार हूँ, मुझे तो पता है, आपने मुझे हायर करके बहुत अच्छा काम किया, तो ये है मेरी आज की टिप्पणी, इस बंदे को ये है. क्यों? So we have to change. In fact, I am working with schools, trying to enter schools at the grassroots level. This change has to come at the grassroots level, right? How we look at mental health, how we look at the society. There's so much of emphasis on intellect. Intellect is one quadrant. The other quadrants are mental, emotional, physical. Intellect को हमने भगवान बना दिया है. But mental is more important than intellect.
Yes.
Right? And what is the difference between mental and intellect? Intellect होता है यार, I am a gold medalist, right? Of let's say I've gone to IIT and IIT तो मैं पहुंच गई. तो इसका मतलब, पर इसका क्या मतलब है? इसका मतलब है कि मैं रट्टा मार सकती हूँ. मुझे कॉन्सेप्ट्स ना ज़बानी याद आती हैं. I know it, I'm good at it. पर इसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि मैं सबसे ज़्यादा समझदार हूँ, कि मैं सियानी हूँ सबसे ज़्यादा. कोई ज़रूरी नहीं है कि मैं सबसे सियाना बंदा हूँ. आई एम नॉट दैट पर्सन. इट इज़ क्वाइट पॉसिबल जो गली का जो लड़का हो उसमें मेरे से ज़्यादा समझदारी हो, इवन दो आई हैव कम फ्रॉम IIT, क्योंकि उसमें वो एबिलिटी, सेंसिबिलिटी है, इंटेलेक्ट नहीं है. Because maybe my parents sent me to a college and a school that they could afford. But that's the difference, right? So mental is the ability to apply the information. Mental is the ability to, the sensibility part of it. Basically, application of information, skills, emotions, behaviors in the right form. Make sense?
Yeah. So how do you, like, you spoke about two parts, and how about the emotional aspect and also the physical aspect? Because अगर हम उन दोनों के बारे में बात नहीं करेंगे तो we are not into the, the whole circle is not completed.
Okay. So the emotion is, so this by the way is also your validation, right? हमारी जो relevance हमें मिलती है as a human being. अगर आपको कोई validate ना करे मीनल, राइट, लाइक हम अभी बातें कर रहे हैं, मैं आपको नहीं देखूं, आई डोंट नॉड, आई डोंट मेक आई कॉन्टैक्ट, मैं वहाँ देख के बातें करूँ, आपका मन करेगा मुझसे बात करने के लिए?
एग्जैक्टली नहीं, द इंटरेस्ट विल बी लॉस्ट,
राइट. सो ये जो छोटे छोटे चीज़ है, वेयर वी आर लुकिंग एट वन अनदर एंड वी आर नॉडिंग एंड वी आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, हम एक दूसरे को फिजिकली वैलिडेट कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी आर लुकिंग एट वन अनदर. What I am saying, what you are saying, we're intellectually validating one another. You are then thinking about what I am saying, so you doing mental application. So then you are also, so when you're asking me the question, my head is telling me, oh my god, that's mental applicability, so good job, right? So I'm validating you mentally, right? And emotionally is you and me are also able to understand each other at an emotional level,
Yes.
right? But the mistake here that people make is, उनको लगता है कि मेरा एक फ्रेंड हो, एक पति तो एक ही होना चाहिए एक ही होना चाहिए, राइट, पर एक पार्टनर हो जो सब कुछ संभाले, राइट, जो मेरा सब कुछ हो. नहीं हो सकता, पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. एंड इफ यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग दैट, आपका रिश्ता इज नॉट कंप्लीट, अनफॉर्चुनेटली, राइट. व्हाट डू आई मीन बाय दैट इज, एज ए ह्यूमन बीइंग आपके 1000 इमोशंस हैं, राइट. आई गिव यू अ सिंपल एग्जांपल. ओके मिनल, आप बीमार हो, ठीक है, एंड योर पार्टनर लेट्स से इज टेकिंग केयर ऑफ यू, टेकिंग वेरी गुड केयर ऑफ यू. सो टेंडर लविंग केयर में आपको मिल रहा है, TLC मिल रहा है, बट यू आर नॉट फीलिंग अलाइव. वो खुशी महसूस नहीं हो रही. क्यों? आपके इमोशंस तो वैलिडेट हो रहे हैं, फिजिकली भी आप वैलिडेट हो रहे हो, वो बंदा आपका या टेक केयर कर रहा है, राइट. एंड पर अब यू आर नॉट फीलिंग अलाइव. व्हाट इज मिसिंग? व्हाट इज मिसिंग इज व्हेन आई एम सिक, मुझे सिर्फ टेंडर लविंग केयर की ज़रूरत नहीं है. माई बॉडी इज़ फीलिंग हेल्पलेस, माई बॉडी इज़ फीलिंग लॉस्ट, माई हार्ट इज़ फीलिंग लाइक पता नहीं क्या हो रहा है. सो मे बी वॉट आई नीड इज़ अ सिली 5 मिनट कॉन्वर्जेशन विद अ सिली सा दोस्त हो आके मुझे हंसाए, right? Or we gossip about TV, we gossip about colors, we gossip about news, we gossip about movies, भगवान जाने क्या. But हम talk about things that are non-serious also. Why? Because that is what makes me me. And this is the biggest trap that I think human beings have, right? We get caught in a relationship in that one slice. And we try to make that one slice हमारी दुनिया. And वो हो ही नहीं सकती. And तभी तो अफेयर्स होते हैं, क्योंकि फिर जब हम स्कूल में, ऑफिस में, जहाँ आप किसी को देखते हो, कोई आपको someone triggers that emotion in you जो आपका पार्टनर ट्रिगर नहीं कर पा रहा, क्योंकि मौका आप भी नहीं दे रहे ना, आप कहाँ ढूंढ रहे हो. फिर आपको लगता है यार दूसरा बंदा जितना मुझे अंडरस्टैंड करता है वो तो मेरा पार्टनर करता है. गलती किसकी है? गलती किसकी है? सिस्टम की है, राइट. आप ढूंढ ही नहीं रहे हो ना, आप ढूंढो. यू नो आई एम अ ह्यूमन बीइंग, मेरे 1000 इमोशंस है, तो मेरे हज़ारों इमोशंस के लिए मुझे 1000 फ्रेंड्स चाहिए.
एक बंदा के नॉट टेक केयर ऑफ एवरीथिंग,
राइट. एंड 1000 फ्रेंड्स ऐसे हो, एक स्लाइस. व्हाट आई मीन इज लाइक आई हैव, लेट्स से आई हैव पर्सन A that I know I can't trust, but वो पर्सन A के साथ मैं बात करूँ about movies, right? अच्छा ये मूवी देखी, अच्छा धुरंधर देखा, अच्छा ये देखा, वो देखा, मतलब वो ही बातें कर रही हूँ मैं. पर 10 मिनट मैंने बात कर ली उसके साथ, मुझे क्या मिला? एक खुशी, एक कॉन्फिडेंस. I felt good about it. So just like that, so have enough people in your life where you are just connecting per slice, and that slice is 5 to 10 minutes. That is, I think that is the heart of existence.
So that is also the reason ki like you were saying ki अपने पार्टनर पे हम बर्डन दे देते हैं हमें खुश रखने का.
Right.
So is that a reason that now we are seeing ki, people go out and cheat on their partners? We see अभी बहुत common हो गया ना that they are
बहुत.
into the relationship and then but my needs are not met.
Being met.
और मेरा कोई ऑफिस का पार्टनर या मेरा कोई कलीग या मेरा कोई फ्रेंड मुझे वो नीड देता है एंड देन वी गो इनटू दैट थिंग. लाइक अभी बहुत एक वीडियो पे बहुत वायरल हुआ था वेर दिस बॉलीवुड पीपल वेर टॉकिंग अबाउट कि नो आई कैन एक्सेप्ट फिजिकल चीट बट नॉट द इमोशनल चीट.
Oh, Twinkle Khanna and Kajol had done that.
So
yeah.
now people are talking about emotional cheat also,
हाँ
है ना.
जी.
बट पीपल हैव एक्सेप्टेड ऑल्सो. पहले देखो जैसे अगर मेरे फ्रेंड ने एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल किया मैं बोलूँगी कि नहीं दिस इज़ रॉन्ग. बट अब क्या हो रहा है कि अगर मेरे फ्रेंड ने एक्स्ट्रा मैरिटल किया है और वो मुझे बताएंगे कि नहीं यार माय हस्बैंड इज़ नॉट टेकिंग केयर, वो थोड़ा सा अब्यूजिव होता है, ये वो होता है, आई फाइंड हैप्पीनेस विद हिम एज अ फ्रेंड. आई थिंक चलो माय फ्रेंड इज़ एट पीस. सो नाउ द पीपल हैव ऑल्सो स्टार्टेड एक्सेप्टिंग. सो हाउ you being into this thing, how you see the shift? Is it right, is it wrong? Because being in a relationship and then looking out for someone is wrong, right? ऐसे हमारी एक conditioning है. So how do you see this? Like what's your take on this? Like as a therapist.
See, as a therapist, I cannot come from a place of moral righteousness, right? I cannot come from a place of क्या सही है क्या गलत है, because मैं पुलिस नहीं हूँ. I am not a moral police. मेरा कोई हक नहीं है किसी को बोलना कि तुम सही हो तुम गलत हो. मैं कौन होती हूँ बोलने के लिए? उनकी ज़िंदगी में उनके क्या दुख है, उनके क्या दर्द है, मुझे तो कोई एहसास भी नहीं है. I have no right to comment on anyone's life. In fact, my approach to life is रिश्तों को बांध के रखो. सो लॉट ऑफ पीपल हु कम टू मी जहाँ पे अफेयर्स हो चुके हैं, वेयर आई फील कि इट हैपेंड एज अ वन ऑफ, whether you agree or not, I try and get the couple back together. I get the family back together. Because दिखाई देता है कि चलो वो हो चुका था. सी बहुत आसान है कहना कि तुम गलत हो, तुम्हें पनिश किया जाए, चलो अभी रिश्ता तोड़ दो, डिवोर्स ले लो एंड अलग अलग रास्ते पे चले जाओ. थियोरेटिकली इट्स अ राइट, it sounds right, seems right, but दो जिंदगियाँ इन्वॉल्व हैं, दो दिल इन्वॉल्व है, दो इमोशंस इन्वॉल्व है, there's so much more than just intellect. See, the answer that you gave also, what we thought about, is coming from a place of intellect. That is why I said, right, the heart and the mind has to be connected, right? अगर हम रिश्ता तोड़ देते हैं, मानो कि हो गया, रिश्ता तोड़ देते हैं, what if that woman has no other place to go to? सोसाइटी ने बोला हाँ तूने मान कैसे लिया, तेरे पति ने तो जाके चीट कर लिया, तूने कैसे कर लिया, राइट? अगर हम पति को समझाते कि देख तेरे से चीटिंग हो गई है, पर दिस इज़ द वे, don't do it, what you're looking for, that is what therapy is, that this happened for a reason A. Maybe there was a trauma that was not healed, or there was a reason that this happened. Let's deal with that. And now we give both the man and woman enough tools to make their marriage a beautiful garden, a flourishing garden. That is what life and therapy is, right? It's about finding grace, finding compassion, right? Compassion of forgiveness, compassion of recognition, compassion of possibility, right? But not everywhere. Where you know that it is not right, then it is not right. I'm not saying कि divorces नहीं हो रहे. ये नहीं कि I have everyone who comes to me, कि हर कोई जुड़ जाता है. No, many times they decide to go separate ways and it's the right thing. Absolutely, it's the right thing. So if the question is that, is that happening? Yes, it is happening. Is the society normalizing it? I don't know about normalizing it, but there is acceptance for sure. Correct? I think that is definitely happening. But that is also happening because we realize that as a human being, you have rights. That as a human being, you deserve happiness. As a human being, you deserve to live.
If what gives you happiness,
Yeah.
you're choosing for it.
Yeah. Right? And किसी को कोई हक नहीं पड़ता यार. Right? Like maybe you will not believe, Minal, there are so many families where maybe the wife knows that the husband is sleeping around and the wife is happy. किसको क्या हक है कि आप जाके उस वाइफ को छेड़ो? क्यों? वो खुश है. उसको पता है कि उसका पति क्या कर रहा है. वो खुश है, उसके बच्चे खुश हैं, वो सोसाइटी में आ रही है, जा रही है, हेड हेल्ड हाई. आप क्यों कीचड़ फेंकोगे उसके ऊपर? उसके हिसाब से तो उसकी जिंदगी पाक है, राइट? इट्स प्योर. आप क्यों बन रहे हो मॉरल पुलिस? तुझे पता नहीं है तेरा पति ये कर रहा है, तुझे पता नहीं क्यों? Right?
Yeah.
I think as human beings we all deserve respect.
Yeah.
Right? We deserve respect. As simple, and we deserve compassion. आपकी जिंदगी आपकी ही जिंदगी. Right? Unless आप मुझे बैठ के समझाओ कि मेरे साथ ऐसा हुआ है, I cannot open my mouth and give you my ज्ञान. अगर मैं आपको ज्ञान देती हूँ, by the way, that is my insecurity. अगर मैं ज्ञान दे रही हूँ, इट इज़ बिकॉज मुझे लगता है कि मुझे बड़ा बनना है, मुझे चाहिए सिग्निफिकेंस, तो मैं अपने आप को बड़ा दिखाने के लिए अपने खुद के दिमाग में मैं ज्ञान दे रही हूँ ताकि मैं आपको नीचा दिखाऊं. दैट इज़ रॉन्ग.
Yeah.
खुद को बड़ा दिखाने के लिए मैं आपको नीचा दिखा रही हूँ. एंड आई एम प्रिटेंडिंग कि मैं तो ज्ञान दे रही हूँ, मैं तो आपकी हेल्प कर रही हूँ, मैं तो आपकी मदद कर रही हूँ. काहे का हेल्प यार? मत करना, मत कर लाला, मत कर ही मत. ऐसा हेल्प नहीं चाहिए हमें. राइट? लिव एंड लेट लिव. So Meenal, the question that you asked was that do we think that the society is the school, the youngsters, the Gen Z, the young workforce, is mental health also being misused? Correct? I think we know the answer to that. I think the answer to that is yes. Correct? And the reason why it is being misused, I'm going to tie it to the earlier answer, is because of somewhere the labeling that itself happening, right? Now, because we are labeling and we as a society are normalizing the use of labels, that I think is the mistake that is happening, right? Which means that if I come and I tell my boss, oh my God, I have an anxiety disorder, the HR mandates that I'm supposed to give the employee that kind of space because apparently he has an anxiety disorder, correct? But what if the question is, what if we change the system of the schools and offices in a way where instead of treating the symptoms, instead of treating the labels, because this is a downward spiral, there is no way of filtering इसमें सच क्या है झूठ क्या है. आप कहाँ से करोगे? राइट? कोई आके मुझे बोलता है आप इसमें ब्लड रिपोर्ट तो है नहीं कि मुझे दिखा के या दैट दिस इज राइट. ब्लड रिपोर्ट ऑल्सो आजकल ANA पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव यू डोंट नो, दैट ऑल्सो इज symptomatic in nature, right? So the point is, I think I wish the system collectively as a country, we adapt within our systems the ability to heal trauma. I think it is the trauma that needs to be healed, right? Now, trauma can be, like we said, it could be huge traumas, right? But trauma is also about things that I did not get, right? एक होता है trauma, complex trauma. Then is like abuse वाला trauma, right? Sexual हो गया, abuse हो गया, वो सारे traumas होते हैं. And PTSD, right? All of that is there कि कुछ तो हो गया. But trauma वो भी होता है कि मुझे बचपन में प्यार नहीं मिला. Trauma ये भी होता है कि मुझे जो मिलना चाहिए था, फॉर मी लव वॉज कंडीशनल, राइट? फॉर मी ज़िंदगी इटसेल्फ वाज कंडीशनल. तो मेरे हिस्से का जो मुझे सिक्योरिटी मिलनी थी, मेरे हिस्से का जो मुझे सेफ्टी मिलना था, वो नहीं मिली. And that is also trauma. Now the point is, if I have a wound that is not healed, anxiety, panic attack, nervousness. See, what is the biology of stress? The sympathetic nervous system kicks in, and when the sympathetic nervous system kicks in, what happens? It's releasing a huge amount of, it increases your blood pressure. It increases the amount of sugar level in your body. You have a huge burst of energy in your body, and the adrenaline gland obviously releases all the juices over there, right? Cortisol levels increase in your body. Point is, all of this is happening because I am feeling at that moment my wound is bleeding. Simplifying it, which means that I'm feeling threatened. My nervous system is feeling unsafe, insecure. Why? It could also just be कि मुझे प्यार नहीं मिला. I am seeing आपको, your parent or someone is coming and loving you.
Yeah.
I have a bad relationship in my shadi, and I see two people making out in front of me. Maybe वो joy देख के I am getting stressed.
Yes.
This also is a different kind of trauma. Right? Trauma is not कि इतना भयंकर हो उसी को हम trauma बोले. So what I'm trying to tell you is this, right? So getting a system in place where the psychologists that we are hiring are actually not just students or pass outs, people who have the experience to understand trauma and to heal trauma. And to heal and understand trauma, the biggest mistake that again we as a profession are doing is we say, are you compassionate? Compassionate is that I suffer when you suffer. That is what the normal definition of compassion is. कि आपको दर्द में देख के मुझे तकलीफ होती है, उसी को हम compassion बोलते हैं. वो तो ठीक है, but that alone does not make a good therapist. That is the mistake. That alone does not make a good psychologist. Correct? Because good therapist, good psychologist is someone who understands compassion at much deeper levels. There's a compassion of understanding, compassion of recognition, compassion of curiosity, compassion of truth, and the last, which is compassion of possibility. So, compassion in itself is a PhD, right? But the reason what I'm saying is कि इन सबको अगर आप गुलदस्ता बनाओगे ना, this is how we will prevent the system from abusing mental health, from our schools to misuse, to prevent them from misusing mental health. Because right now, mental health is also being abused.
Yeah.
It's completely being abused, right? I fully agree.
So do you think it's correct to छोटे छोटे बच्चों को लाइक ऐसे सेकेंड थर्ड ग्रेड्स के बच्चों को अवेयर कराना अबाउट मेंटल हेल्थ इज अ गुड थिंग क्योंकि दे आर वेरी यंग
I
राइट
agree. No, I think ignorance is bliss. It's too young.
या
Yeah. And आप मेंटल हेल्थ क्यों बोलोगे? आप पेरेंटिंग को फिक्स करो.
या
राइट? मेंटल हेल्थ इश्यूज तब आता है जब आपने when parents have gone wrong, I'm sorry to say,
या
right? When parents have gone wrong. Now, if I'm coming to parenting, I think we're shifting the topic here, but for a child to be secure, Meenal, right? You're a parent right now. I am a parent right now. For my child to be secure, I should have done few things right? So Erickson came up with the emotional check marks of every child, right? So 0 to 1, the child develops trust, which is hope. Of course, बच्चा रो रहा है, आप नापी चेंज कर रहे हो. बच्चा रो रहा है, आप उसको खाना खिला रहे हो. बच्चा रो रहा है, आप आके देख रहे हो. Are you fine? Every time you show up when the bacha is crying, the nervous system develops a feeling of hope, trust. Ki I can trust my environment. That is the basis of me being a secure human being. Right? 1. 2. 1 to 3 mein we develop autonomy. Right? But if the parents are busy, अगर बच्चा कुछ करने भी चाह रहा हो, the caregiver or the school wherever they are, the baby care or the daycare center will say, no, stop it, don't do that, conform. We are killing autonomy in a growing child and we're saying no, conform. हम उसको मशीन बना रहे हैं, right, in an entire setup. गलती किसकी है? एंड देन लेटर ऑन जब दैट पर्सन आगे जाके उसको प्रॉब्लम्स होती हैं, हम बोलते हैं कि ओ माई गॉश, दैट समथिंग हैपेंड विद द चाइल्ड. नो, समवेयर वी फेल्ड. So just like that, so that is it. So the point being is that is it. So 1 2 3 में autonomy आ गया, then 3 to 6 में then initiative आ गया. Point is, ये milestones अगर क्रॉस नहीं होते ना, एज एन अडल्ट में कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं हो सकता, हो ही नहीं सकता. बिकॉज मैंने वो माइलस्टोन क्रॉस ही नहीं किया इमोशनली. एंड उसी माइलस्टोन में स्किल्स डेवलपमेंट भी है एज अ चाइल्ड कि एंड देन स्किल्स डेवलप करने के बाद फिर मुझे अगर मेरे आगे के माइलस्टोन्स नहीं हुए. ओके, एक्चुअली लेट मी ब्रेक इट डाउन एंड गिव यू एन एग्जांपल. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम गोइंग ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. लेट्स पॉज एंड लेट्स गिव एन एग्जांपल. ओके, आई एम अ वर्किंग पेरेंट. I am busy and I justify that. Of course, I have a right. I need to work. I need relevance too. I need validation too. First of all, this does not mean that just because you're working, you're doing wrong. No. As a human being, remember we spoke about the validation matrix. Both the man and the woman deserve the validation matrix. If you are not getting the validation from the sum total of these quadrants, you are going towards clinical problems. So if I'm stepping out in the workforce to feel relevant, it's a fantastic thing. There is no doubt about it. But that means the problem is if I start comparing my child with मेरे colleague के बच्चे, right? If I start thinking कि my child is my identity, right? An offshoot of me. दैट मीन्स कि अगर मेरा चाइल्ड इंटेलिजेंट है तो मैं इंटेलिजेंट हूँ, अगर मेरा चाइल्ड बेवकूफ़ है तो खराबी मेरे में है, मैं बेवकूफ़ हूँ. मेरा चाइल्ड ठीक से नहीं कर रहा, मेरी जेनेटिक्स में ख़राब है. इफ़ आई स्टार्ट पर्सनलाइजिंग व्हाट माई चाइल्ड इज़ डूइंग, मीनल, व्हाट एम आई डूइंग? आई एम पुटिंग अननेसेसरी प्रेशर ऑन दैट बेचारा बच्चा, राइट? एक तो मैं घर पे हूँ नहीं टू हेल्प द चाइल्ड डेवलप दिस माइलस्टोन्स, एंड देन मैं प्रेशर डाल रही हूँ कि अरे उसका बेटा तो करता है, सी दैट पर्सन डज दैट, लुक कियारा डज दैट, लुक शायना डज दैट, लुक सॉरी दिस पर्सन डज दैट, बट यू आर नॉट डूइंग. आई एम एडिंग inferiority in my own child, and I'm doing it with so much gusto because I am feeling inferior. I am putting my trauma and my baggage on my child.
Yes.
Isn't that true? That is so sad.
Yeah. So basically, if a young kid is talking about mental health, there's something wrong with parenting. We need to fix the parenting first, and then we need to address the, whatever the kid is talking about, their mental health or something.
If the child is showing symptoms, then parenting is wrong.
Yeah.
Right? If the child is talking about mental health, it's because the teacher or someone in school has told them about it. उनको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कि mental health के बारे में क्या.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah. So they're two different things.
Yes.
But definitely, if they're showing symptoms of it, 100% it's a parent. It's a environment. Let's not call it parenting. It's an environment issue.
Yeah.
Right? And then environment can also be school. School also is part of the environment. Bus is also part of that environment, right?
Yes.
The maid who's dropping your child to the bus stop is also part of the environment. So kahin na kahin environment mein there is a thorn.
Yes.
That's what this means.
Yeah. And having such a conversation in depth about all this mental awareness, mental crisis, we do know, even the study says that the females are the one who suffer more as compared to the male counterpart. Is it because of the the social conditioning around the females, or it is because the self psychological counseling of the female themselves? Because somehow while we are being raised we are being told कि ना ये करना है, you know, when you go to your in-laws place you need to adjust a bit, or when the kids are there you need to adjust a bit, or you know, when there is promotion at the office, the male counterpart is given a priority. So all those things are there. So एक या तो it's the social conditioning, या फिर हम खुद ही सोच लेते हैं. You know, sometimes it happens ना कि अरे मेरे साथ एक मेरा मेल कलीग है, तो ठीक है इस बार तो उसका हो जाएगा प्रमोशन, मे बी नेक्स्ट टाइम इज माइन. So do you come across this thing? Do you feel that this could be a reason which we need to fix it? Like, you know, as a society, as a community, we need to do something and work on it.
Short answer is definitely yes. Of course, right? Of course. So why is the woman like that? Let's start with the basic question. Because our society completely sensationalizes sacrifice.
Yeah.
हमारे मूवीज़ देख लो, एकता कपूर के सीरियल्स देख लो, राइट, कुछ भी देख लो, जो भी देख लो, राइट, देयर इज़ सो मच ऑफ डेटा एंड मीडिया एंड एवरीथिंग अराउंड अस जहाँ पे जो मदर इंडिया होना को महानता माना जाता है. नरगिस थी मदर इंडिया जब उसने की थी मूवी मदर इंडिया. वी डोंट हैव टू बी मदर इंडिया राइट नाउ, राइट? इट इज, बट it is a pressure, it is a burden that I think we are carrying, and that is, I would say, our culture is to blame for that.
Yes.
Right? It is the fabric of the society that is to blame for that. It is not you and me individually. This is the group think mentality.
The social conditioning that has happened.
The social conditioning, right? And the group think mentality says that nobody wants to break out of it because it is working for everyone, right? I'm sorry, I know there are male counterparts here, but the point is, it is very happy because life for the man is hunky-dory. They are getting everything served to them on a plate, right? They work, they come home, they rest, they put their feet on the table, and everything is being served to them. The woman is required to come home, wash up quickly, put the food on the gas, lay the table, serve, clean the kitchen, do everything, sleep past 12 and still be the first person to get up because बच्चों को हमने तैयार करना है. So कौन complain करेगा?
And also if the kid does something wrong, अगर उसने किसी को kick कर दिया तो बोला जाएगा कि माँ ने नहीं सिखाया.
हाँ.
कभी नहीं बोलते कि बाप ने नहीं सिखाया.
Yeah. It's sad actually.
Yeah. So it's basically like you were saying, you know, we see a lot of thing in the media, in the internet. I think we see at home. क्योंकि हमारे घर पे भी तो यू नो इन जनरल ऑल्सो आई थिंक द पास्ट जनरेशन ऑल्सो हमने घर पे भी यही सीखा है ना, घर पे भी यही बताते हैं. वी हैव सीन आवर मदर सैक्रिफाइसिंग फॉर थिंग्स, तो हम भी वही देख के बड़े होते हैं. एंड देन वी पुट दैट इन आवर माइंड. भले ही यू नो आफ्टर एट दिस लेवल मे बी आई मे चेंज माई ओपिनियन, बट फॉर सो मेनी ईयर्स आई हैव सीन दैट कि यू नो माई मॉम हैज सैक्रिफाइस्ड, सो आई नीड टू सैक्रिफाइस.
Because that is our baseline, right? And we shadow the people that we are we get inspired by the people that we love.
Yes.
And for the daughters, we want to be like our mothers, right? Because our mothers हमें लगता है so beautiful, and the saddest part is society भी तो उनको praise करती है. तेरी माँ देख कितनी ये करती है, वो करती है, and हमें लगता है हाँ अगर मम्मा करती है तो मुझे भी करना है. वो see how everyone praises मम्मा, मुझे भी चाहिए praise. So you are right. We dig our own grave, right? And I think the biggest justification or rationalization that I think the Indian woman does in this context is हमें लगता है, and we inflate this presumption. It is a presumption, and हम इसको इतना inflate करते हैं और हम कहते हैं हमारे बिना हमारा परिवार तो चल ही नहीं सकता, right? तो मैं बीमार हूँ, पर अगर मैं बीमार होगी, अगर मैंने खाना नहीं बनाया तो मेरा बच्चा खाना कैसे खाएगा, राइट? एंड अगर मैंने पति को रात को पूछा नहीं तो पति डिस्ट्रेस कैसे होगा, राइट? हम खुद टायर्ड है, and the man needs intimacy, you are performing. You're killing yourself, troubling yourself in all areas of your life. But the truth is, and I'm sure you'll agree, God forbid, but tomorrow, let's say a woman goes. Do you think the family will not function?
It will function as it is.
Exactly. And the best part is, कल परसों एक हफ्ते के बाद वही बच्चे जो कुछ नहीं कर रहे थे
खुद से करने लगेंगे
सब कुछ करेंगे. अपने प्लेटें उठाएंगे, अपने प्लेटें वॉश करेंगे, अपने कमरे को साफ रखेंगे, सब कुछ करेंगे. सो माई क्वेश्चन नाउ टू द सोसाइटी इज, टू द फैमिली, टू द व्यूअर्स, राइट, कि जो आपको पता है आप कल करोगे, आज क्यों नहीं कर सकते? राइट, आज अपनी प्लेट उठा लो यार, आज अपने जूते अंदर रख लो, आज अपने कपड़े बास्केट में डाल लो, आज जाके ड्रायर में से कपड़े निकाल लो, सुखा दो, कुछ तो करो, बिकॉज इट इज़ वन लेस वर्क फॉर द लेडी, फॉर योर मदर. एंड इट मीन्स कि उसको एटलीस्ट 1 मिनट की सुकून मिलेगी. उतना ही बच रहा है माँ का,
उतना ही बच रहा है,
उतना ही बच रहा है माँ का. बट दैट one minute adds up. आप कल करने के बजाय आज करो, so that you give her a chance to survive, you give her a chance to live, and most important, you give her a chance to be there for you. इतने स्वार्थी तो मत बनो.
So as we go forward, generally in population, let's talk about the very basic, bare minimum thing is overthinking. And when we come about overthinking can also be the first step or the baby step towards mental crisis. तो कुछ भी छोटी चीज़ों को लेके ओवर थिंक कर लेते हैं, लाइक मेरा ट्रेन का रिजर्वेशन नहीं हुआ तो यू नॉट स्लीपिंग एट नाइट, या फिर लाइब्रेरी में बुक नहीं मिली तो यू नॉट स्लीपिंग कि कल वो बुक मिलेगी कि नहीं. दीज आर वेरी वेरी बेसिक थिंग्स है ना. वी शुड नॉट बी बर्डनिंग आवरसेल्व्स, बट वी ओवर थिंक अबाउट इट, राइट? सो डू यू थिंक दिस इज मे बी अ स्टेप टुवर्ड्स मेंटल क्राइसिस? हाउ डू वी ओवरकम ओवर थिंकिंग? एनी मैनुअर्स जो आप बता सकते हैं कि हम उसको बाईपास कर सके?
Okay, again, very good question. So, overthinking, like the word suggests, is it's maladaptive. Okay. You're thinking, but you're doing something extra, over the top, right? So first, let's try and unpack why am I as a human being overthinking, right? Maybe my overthinking was my body adapting to my childhood. Maybe my overthinking was my body coping with, it was the right adaptive behavior given the stress that I had, given the trauma that I had. Maybe I came from a situation where मुझे खाना नहीं मिल रहा था, या मेरे माँ बाप लड़ रहे थे, या मैं ऐसे I was in a village or a basti or that situation where there was tension and unhappiness and I was threatened. My body to survive had no option but to start thinking different permutations and combinations. ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये हो रहा है, ये कैसे होगा? I am already calculating आगे में क्या मुसीबत हो सकती है ताकि मैं उस मुसीबत में मैं नहीं पड़ूँ. That is one way of overthinking. Second, overthinking is the best case scenario, right? I want to be super efficient in trying to get what I want. I want to up my chances to get what I want. Right? But all of this could have been, is all I'm trying to say, my body adapting based on the limited, finite resources that I had. Right? So in that case, it was not maladaptive in nature. It was adaptive in nature that helped me survive and become who I am today. But today, because मेरे पास सब कुछ है, या मेरी ज़िंदगी बेटर हो चुकी है, right? अब मुझे लगता है कि ये जो adaptive behavior था, ये बन गया है maladaptive. Because now it is preventing me from taking decisions faster. Now my overthinking is reducing my efficacy rate, which is my efficiency rate. Of course, right? मुझे खरीदना है कुछ, पर मैं I will sit and think for 2-3 days whether I want to do it or not. By the time I think, maybe the house gets sold. Right? I want to invest somewhere. वो इन्वेस्ट करने से पहले मतलब बाय द टाइम मैं इन्वेस्ट वो स्टॉक चले गया ऊपर, पैसे जो मैंने बनाने थे मैंने बनाए नहीं, सॉरी, बाय बाय, टाटा, सी हो गया. The point is, so let's first thing we have to understand is where the overthink is happening from. Again, it's a trauma response. It is a wound that is there. Nobody is born an overthinker. कोई क्यों ओवरथिंक करेगा? बेबीज ओवरथिंक करके नहीं आते. बेबी को लगता है मुझे भूख लगी, वह सुसु किया, वह मुझे कुछ चाहिए, वह. दैट इज ऑल दे आर डूइंग, राइट? इट इज़ समथिंग दैट इट इज़ अडेप्टेड. सेकेंड, अगर मैं ओवरथिंक कर रहा हूँ या कर रही हूँ, हाउ डू आई स्टेप आउट ऑफ इट? I'm going to give you a very generalized solution here, but please understand that it can work as an emergency kit, right? But you are not doing a RCA, root cause analysis, because the root cause analysis is where it will unblock you, like I said, from adaptive, from maladaptive.
We have to come back
to adaptive. Yeah. Right? You have to walk down that path, and that only a professional can help you do.
Yes.
Right? So coming back, if I'm thinking something, I have to ask myself, let's do an example, okay? What am I thinking on? I'm thinking on, okay, I'll give you a very simple example. I've gone to a restaurant, okay? Do I need pizza or do I need burger? People who actually overthink on such silly things also. Yes. Right? कि मैं पिज्ज़ा ऑर्डर करूँ कि मैं बर्गर ऑर्डर करूँ, किसी में भी खामी नहीं है. One doesn't come with fungus and one doesn't come with bacterium. Like, they're all fine, right? But, so I have to ask myself, stop, right? Why am I overthinking this? Like, what is the reason for me overthinking it? It could very well be that I have only I have, let's say, only 100 rupees. 5 rupees, I was going to say, 5 rupees में तो कुछ नहीं मिलता. I have only, let's say, 200 rupees in my pocket, right? And it's a treat that I'm getting after 30 days. So there is a reason also that I'm overthinking, right? That मुझे लग रहा है कि मेरे जेब में सिर्फ 200 रुपये हैं, and 30 दिनों के बाद I'm getting a chance to eat outside. I want to optimize on it. So I am in a situation where I don't know what to think. So basically I'm in a situation of conflict. My overthinking is coming out of internal conflict, right? And that internal conflict is then leading to frustration, which is what stress is. So these are my psychological markers of stress. My psychological markers of stress is frustration, conflict, lack of control and pressure. It is the combination of these 4 things that causes stress, right? Or even one of these things, when it's too much, it causes stress. So coming back, overthinking, identify what the thought is, point number 1. Second is, try and say, okay, you know what? If I only eat burger now, what is the worst that can happen? Nothing. I will not get to eat pizza, but then you get to eat the burger. It seems silly, but I'm talking like that. But literally writing and asking yourself questions, walking through from a logical place, is how you help break out of that overthinking loop. Because overthinking loop, think of it as a highway. Your brain is stuck on a road and it is only going in circles. That's all. It is just going in circles. हमने हाईवे से निकल के हमने एग्जिट पे जाना है. जब तक हम एग्जिट पे नहीं जाएंगे, हम उसी हाईवे पे अटके हुए हैं. देयर इज़ नथिंग दैट माई ह्यूमन बॉडी कैन डू टू एग्जिट आउट ऑफ द हाईवे. या तो मैं अपने आप को लॉजिकली एग्जिट करवाऊँ, राइट? या मैं अपने आप को फिजिकल मार्कर से एग्जिट करवाऊँ, विच इज़ आई स्टैंड अप सडनली एंड आई से नो, स्टॉप इट. When I reorient my body, as a doctor, you know that for a moment everything is paused, because my body is trying to make sure that I am safe. So in that moment, I have parked my car. I have braked my car, which means that I can get to the exit. Right? So one is that. Second is, which is anxiety responses also, right? I'm overthinking also. I'm overthinking. Why? Because I'm feeling, I am in conflict, yes, but I'm feeling that I need to over-optimize things. So I have to tell myself, you know what? Today, take a decision. Today I will eat burger. After 30 days, I will eat a pizza. You have to allow yourself to decide. You have to train yourself to decide. Does that make sense?
Yes.
Right?
So basically, it's a coping mechanism. That's how it started. Like the overthinking was like, you were coping to some maladaptation that was happening in your body, and that went to a level that, now it's affecting your intellectual capacity and your efficiency. Everything has come down.
Correct. So overthinking can also be because of my dopamine circuit not being correct. Overthinking can also be because of some biological and clinical reasons also. So overthinking is not necessarily just something that was adaptive or and that became maladaptive, right? That was one scenario. My overthinking, like I said, I'm overthinking on something. I'm obsessing about something because मुझे जो डोपामीन मिलना चाहिए मेरे लाइफ में से मुझे वो नहीं मिल रहा सो आई एम हाइपर फोकसिंग आई एम ऑब्सेसिंग अबाउट दिस थॉट फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव अ पेपर आई हैव टू कीप टचिंग इट, आई हैव टू कीप डूइंग इट, आई हैव टू कीप डूइंग इट, आई हैव टू कीप डूइंग इट, आई एम ऑब्सेसिंग अबाउट दिस बिकॉज मुझे बातों से डोपामीन नहीं मिल रही. Looking at you, मुझे dopamine नहीं मिल रही. My nervous system is not getting the sensory input that I need to get. So I am telling my mind I have to focus on doing this one thing.
Something that is giving you that
right.
need.
That is, yeah. So it is also a sign of, like I said, your dopamine circuit being impaired. Now, whether it is a biological impairment, which is a brain thing, or it is a behavioral impairment, is something again that a professional only can diagnose, right? And if it is a behavioral impairment, therapy can heal it. If it is something that is biological, it is a combination of things.
Therapy and you need to see a physician.
Yes, a physician, and then that can be addressed,
Taken care of.
That can be taken care of. Yeah.
So after having such conversation in depth, all my viewers, I request कि please give priority to yourself. अगर आपको कभी भी लगे that you need help, please seek help. Just go to a therapist. Let it not be a taboo, right?
Yes,
Let us break this taboo, because we are in a generation now everything is possible. Right? Let us not blame ourselves. Let us not be in that circle of guilt कि मैंने बच्चे के लिए ये नहीं किया, या आज मेरा बच्चा बीमार है तो मैं ऑफिस चली गई, या मैं अपने काम का डेडलाइन पूरा कर रही हूँ. लेट्स नॉट बी इन दैट गिल्ट. लेट अस सीक हेल्प. लेट अस जस्ट this is not only for us, this is also what my daughter will learn seeing me.
Exactly.
This is what the other people around will learn.
Exactly. Be the change maker.
Be the change maker. And this is what the world needs at this point of time.
Yeah.
So thank you so much, Harleen Bagaji, for such beautiful insight, for your personal journey with such courage and laughter you shared. This needs a lots of gut, that with such laughter you shared it. And we are really lucky that we got such insight from you. Me being a doctor, I was not aware for so many things that you have shared today. So thank you so much.
You're most welcome. I'm so glad. Actually, time का पता ही नहीं चला. We just
spoke
and spoke.
Yeah.
It was a good, hearty conversation. Absolutely.
Yes.
So thank you so much.
Thank you.
Right, and thanks to you, I think a lot of our viewers will benefit from it.
Yes.
So
that is the whole concept. That people should become aware of it. Because the more they see, the more they listen. Somewhere कहीं ना कहीं अगर एक जने भी अपने आप को थोड़ा less guilty feel होता है, I think our job is done, right?
Our job is done, right? Like my motto, I'll tell you, is helping someone cannot change the world.
Yeah.
But helping that one person will change that person's world. Right? And बस हम किसी एक जने की दुनिया चेंज कर रहे हैं. बदल रहे हैं.
Thank you so much.
जय हिंद.